Well, this is a 9-split or 9-fold geometric figure, and the spirals indicate a ratio of 9:3:2 reducing. So the outside circle reducing is going to be 9:3:2 all the way to the center, like so. And the crop circle is the same ratio, so it's an agreement. 9:3:2 from 1 means there will be 9 reductions to 531,441. So that's the ratio we're looking for. I see these shapes here, and the spiral to the circle has picked those up. I think therefore that those mean that there's spiral grid out in this area with perhaps a predominant anti-clockwise direction, as indicated by these faint circular lines. But anyway, I have just drawn something on the same ratios. The ratio between that line and that one is 531,441. Then I've dropped the inverse spiral to this circle, and then it's just a various ratio to the center. And I've indicated a ring with a twisted rope shape to it. I think what happens is that in a solid disk there will be an overall rotation of energy, but gaps will appear on the plane, just leaving some remnant rings. And these rings could, and may well, eventually disappear. But before they go, they're probably going to be very fine. And what we have here is a twisted rope ring that encircles Neptune. Now there is a small bunch of them out there, but there doesn't seem to be a lot of them, or perhaps we're just not seeing them. I think there might be some around Uranus, I'm not sure. But it seems like here we have 2 threads, and I'm thinking perhaps energy is running both clockwise in one and anti-clockwise in the other at the same time. One direction therefore representing outgoing energy, with the other direction representing ingoing energy. And in the spirals, it's the outgoing energy is against the ingoing energy. And it's where it comes together, it ravels up into rings like that. But that's basically an energy form. And the only reason that we can see it is because it has dust in it. Some people might call it a torus. And I think perhaps what happens is that as these rings shrink, they shrink to the halfway point between the outer and inner edges of the ring, the logarithmic halfway point, and it becomes finer and finer. These are still around the planet. They must have been there for quite a while. So they seem to be self-supporting, with energy perhaps just running in that loop forever quite happily.